Today we will be unboxing a Diablo 3 Collector's Edition. Really easy. What do we have in here? Well, we have the soundtrack, free card. Oh, invite a friend to play with this free guest key. Alright, we got a World of Warcraft guest pass, StarCraft 2 guest pass, Diablo 3 guest pass, and free packs, which I'll probably actually use the free packs. We have the Collector's Edition game. Then we have the behind the scenes, which is also it's in Blu-ray and DVD. We have a Reaper of Souls mouse pad. That's actually really cool. I'll probably use it. Then a Reaper of Souls art book. Let's open it up, see what's inside of it. Alright, what we got here? Oh. To get some of the art. Okay. Yeah, it's just all the art, all the concept art, all the stuff that they probably went through in the process of creating the armor and whatnot. That looks amazing. Alright, so we have a art book, we have a mouse pad, we have the behind the scenes, it's a DVD and Blu-ray, we have a collector's edition game, soundtrack, guest passes to each of the games that they have out now, and a really nice box. But that looks like it's it, so thanks for watching guys, like and subscribe.